Hi, I'm Steve Fette from Allied Beverage, and today we're going to learn how to make a proper mojito. A mojito is a simple Cuban cocktail originally called the Cuban highball that is made with rum, mint, lime, sugar, sparkling water, and of course ice, because cold cocktails are happy cocktails. The original mojito was made using freshly muddled lime wedges and mint, powdered sugar, and a lot of cracked ice. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a more modern, streamlined, efficient form of the mojito that's going to be a lot faster for you when you're behind the bar making it for your guests. To start off, we're going to need a highball glass. Next, I want you to take about 10 to 12 really big, happy mint leaves. And you know what I'm talking about. It's mint leaves that are up, they're happy, they're super aromatic. And I want you to take those mint leaves and put them between your freshly washed hands, of course. And I want you to give them a good crack. And then flip it over and give it another crack. And then I just want you to put those right in the bottom of your highball glass. That's our muddle, folks. We don't have to do any more muddling. Now, we're going to add our ingredients. A mojito is supposed to be boozy, refreshing, cool, sweet, and just a little bit tart. So we're going to use our freshly squeezed lime juice here. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce. And then our simple syrup, we're going to do 1 ounce. Now, I'm making certain to start with my least expensive ingredients first, because if I make a mistake and I have to dump things out, I'm not dumping out expensive alcohol, I'm just dumping out inexpensive mixers. Next, I'm going to add my rum. I'm going to do 2 ounces of a silver rum. We're going to be using the Brugal Special Silver here. I'm going to do 2 ounces. Alright, next, we're going to make life easy here. Right? I'm going to take my club soda, my sparkling water, and I'm going to add about 2 ounces, but I'm really going to go just under halfway of that glass. Then I'm going to add ice. You can add crushed ice to this if you want to. Beautiful. If you see you still have a little bit more room, we're going to give it a stir. Take our spoon, and we're just going to glide those mint leaves up the glass. We want it to really sit up there and people to see, hey, this is a mojito. And at the same time, you're actually stirring that drink and combining all the components. And then we're just going to top it off with some club soda. Now, garnishing for the mojito. All right, I want you to take a lime wedge. We're going to take our lime wedge and pop it on the rim of the glass there. And then we're going to take our mint sprigs. Right? I've got one nice, really happy mint sprig. I'm going to give it a crack, slap it around that glass, and then I'm just going to slide it behind that lime. So it's poking up saying, hey, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be in a mojito. Happy to be in your mojito. And right there is a classic mojito made with Brugal rum silver. Cheers.